What is going on, guys? Welcome back. So we got a guest coming today, determined veterans, coming all the way from Texas. He's gonna stop by here today. He's gonna come by here and show me his twin turbo Shelby Gt350R. And we ain't gonna be able to take it off the trailer because he's kind of in a rush to get where he's going, but maybe we can get it started up and get a cold start, see how this thing sounds. So let's go check it out. Showing up to the house with his Shelby. Nice little truck. He's gonna try to hit me. Come on up, man. What's up? Nice. 350. What exhaust is that?
Sock.
Turbo Shelby Gt350R. Got that interior carbon fiber, man, sharp. It's crazy how you get this.
Yeah, and it's got
The 1,000 wheel horsepower Shelby GT350R, and that was the cold start. You could hear the turbo sounding good, but had a good time with him, hanging out, talking about cars and stuff. And if you hadn't checked him out, go check out Determined Veteran as well. And I hope you like this video. If you like it, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, go subscribe. See you soon.